Okay guys, it's around 4:30 in the evening and now it's time for kayaking. We're going kayaking at the backwaters and like I'm ready, others are also ready. We are legit in the water. See? And we are just chilling. We haven't started yet. We just know how to do the thing.
Only on one side, yeah. Push the side and just... Okay, now stick your right side in. Keep it there. Yeah. No, just keep it there. Now push forward. Yeah. Correct. Yeah, there. Now paddle only on your left. No. Yeah, just paddle that.
In the middle of the water and I'm resting actually. It's like just chilling and she's recording loud enough. And yeah, super cool guys. This is a memory to be remembered forever, no? Forever my life. I don't know when I'll be. Okay, he's saying us to row, Apeksha. Okay. Keep rowing. So Apeksha is killing it right now. I'm not doing anything, I'm just like recording. Huh? Yeah, please. Follow you. Okay.
Hi guys, now I'm taking over and I just love the lighting here. It looks so good. And Augie looks so cool and Augie is a pro at it already. Subscribe to Augie's channel guys. And this is the content you need actually. Just subscribe it. Believe me.
Again.
Hi guys! Oh my god, I look like a bhootni right now. Let me fix it थोड़ा सा. हाँ, मैंने अकेले kayak किया and it was fun experience. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि surfing करके kayak करके तो मेरे से biceps बनने वाले हैं ऐसे 2 दिन में. By the time I go back guys, you'll be seeing a different tree altogether. And it was fun. Initially I was shit scared. Imagine मेरे को swimming करना आता है और एकदम अच्छे से आता है, पर फिर भी डर लग रहा था. और मुझे अपने लिए अपने फ़ोन के लिए डर लग रहा था टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एक टाइम के बाद लेकिन फिर मेरा डर खत्म हो गया जब मैंने अपना फ़ोन किसी और को हैंड ओवर कर दिया, अपनी वीडियो बना के फ़ोटो खिंचवा के. फिर तो मैंने क्या जुनून में क्या किया, मैं पूरे दिन भी कर सकती हूँ.
Oh, see? It was great. Me and Augie killed it.
Yeah, we
vibed a lot. We sang songs and ऐसे सॉन्ग ना जो मैंने सदियों में गाए नहीं होंगे. तेरी ओर और जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए कभी सबसे मेन दोस्त ना रहा फॉर निहारिका. प्लीज फ्लिप द कैमरा टू निहारिका.
Guys, I am the smart one, okay? See, the point is I'm really careless. तो अगर flip हो जाती तो they would have died. I was thinking about them. I was thinking about them.
Okay, now we are heading back.
Yeah, so these
We
are
swam in the sea. So tonight we're gonna camp in those tents. This is the plan for tonight, and tomorrow morning we're gonna watch the sunrise from here. So right now, okay, the room is like quite messy. Room we got was very pretty. I have the room tour up in my second vlog of the trip. Okay, now we are about to do our dinner, and then we are going to camping on a private beach. We booked this camping via Mitra Surf Club. So this is different from Indica Surf School, and we just got back from kayaking and we had such a lovely time. I'll put all the videos here, and we just got showered, and yeah, we are going to dinner. Okay. This is Kerala parantha, this is Kerala rice, a chutney and sambar. We have this self-service here. Morning guys, look what I am waking up to. Wait, whoa. The sunrise is at the opposite side there, and those are the tents that we slept last night in. We had a bonfire thing going on there, and yeah, look how pretty it is. And that's our instructor surfing. We are paying 700 for the night camping. We are paying 500 for the kayaking, and the girls are paying 5,000 for 3 days lesson of surfing. Yeah, I am not doing surfing. I didn't, because I don't know swimming. I was like kind of scared that I might drown or something. Kayaking stole the show for me. Like it was so great.